Hi guys, so I come back to my YouTube channel again with some interesting topics. I want to show you and make you aware. I didn't share with anybody's about me and about my home and situation that what is going on over here. So I came over here. So as looking a smile at my face, you might have known that there is some things which he is going to share. So good news is this that my sister is going to get married on 22 November in. So that's the reasons I thought that I should show you and make you update that where I am and what I am doing, because it's been a long time having uploaded video on YouTube. So sorry for that. So it's my rooms which I have painted it and got it, put it, applied it, put it, and it took me many more days for completing these homes as much as possible from me and my family members. We try our best to invest some amount of money for looking go home decoration good and all of things I'm gonna go to share with all of you, right? So see area of my home, that how does it look like. So you see, I am using a rear camera for showing you that no one can tell that you didn't show me anything else apart from your face. So you see, it's a window from through window you can see outside and outer view of my homes, right? Front view of my homes. So this is there is something we had just like boys parents have given only 2 months. So within 2 months we improved something and try our best to correct and improve and decorate our homes. So that's it. Now I'm gonna go to show you front view of my home, right? So look at front view of my home, that how does it look like. It took us much more time because it was totally incomplete, but 80% we got it constructed. And you see there are three boys who have come from Uttar Pradesh state of India, because Gadwa district of Jharkhand is located alongside and it's joining with Sonbhadra district of Uttar Pradesh. So they have come over here and they are decorating, right? And there is car which I am gonna go to show you. This car we have to hand over to boys, who is going to become brother-in-law of mine. So let's see that what is gonna go to happen. All of things I will be able to share with you and I will be present over here. So this initial part of my homes which they are decorating. Having decorated properly, I will also make you update about it. Alright. So right now it look like this, but at the end it will be decorated, right? And in this the way you see that a pillar of metal it has and pipe of metal has been laid over here. So it to where you are able to see there will be constructed or made corridor. So at the end you are able to see there is a white walls. Okay, beyond of white walls there will be constructed for food and caterings. All of things will be prepared over here, right? Some materials has been dumped over here by uh, tent owners, and some material and goods has not been brought over here by them, but they are bringing slowly, and because they have pickup. So in pickup some all of just like material and goods cannot be brought over here, right? This is a car which we have brought here from showrooms on 12 October uh, 2025, because as you know that in buying these types of vehicles there are huge difficulties in documentation. So we thought that first of all we have to complete work of buying four-wheelers. So you can see companies logos and badges over there, Hyundai and Extras. So it's costed us approximately 9,50,000 all over all together. So I don't have key right now. So I think that my brother have gone somewhere carrying keys. So if you wanna see interiors view of over here, so I would have to just like come over here, but again very earlier, but I didn't come over here very earlier, so that's the reason I do not have key. But let I am gonna go to show you from back side. Okay, we drove to some city, so that's the reason dust is over here on body in of this vehicle. So it's that's the reason it's looking like so filthy and dirty. And after washing, I will try my best to make a videos, and I'm gonna go to show you also. So till the times you wait, and I will make you update for that, right? So let's see that what is gonna go to happen for next update. You be in touch, and after that I will show you, right?
कितना देरी में कितना टाइम लगेगा अरे आज ही तो ऐसे ही
देख रे फेमूर
देखावा हाँ अरे बैठल है ऐसे बैठा रहा
मुंह बंद कर बाबू मुंह बंद कर अजी मुंह बढ़िया बना दी वो सब ओठ निकाला है ले पैसा ऐसा ना हमरा पे तो पैसा खाता हो गया
हमरा सब से बेसी हां
So hey guys, finally it's a day of Mehdi, and it is called in English henna. So yesterday it was ceremony of turmeric, that is called haldi in Indian traditional language, in Hindi language, okay, which is very traditional in all ritual in all religious people in India. So it is finally henna day today. So I thought that I should show you all of process what is going over here. So you see process of mehdi and henna, how it is done over here. So you see these are girls who are sitting. These are a friend of my sisters. They are trying their best to apply and give beautiful drawings on her hands and wherever henna is applied. So finally you can see view of over here. We have got it decorated. We have ordered it and booked it. Those people who decorated it, those belong from other state of India. Finally you see beautiful scenery of over here, and all of people are enjoying and cheering. So some kind of view is over here. So that's it for now, and again I will try my best to update you about other things and process and ceremony rituals of over here. So what happens in our traditions.
Yes,
छत से उतरी बुआ हमारी आंचल क्यों फहराती है। छत से उतरी बुआ हमारी आंचल क्यों फहराती है। धीरे से चूमा लो बुआ इतना क्यों घबराती है। धीरे से चूमा लो बुआ चाय न दिला रखना खाला चुमावे चौका चढ़िया गना। खाला चुमावे चौका चढ़िया गना। खालू लुटावे हो न धना सोनवा। खाला लुटावे हो हाथ के कंगनवा। खाला लुटावे हो हाथ के कंगनवा। चाय न दिला रखना खाला चुमावे चौका चढ़िया गना। खाला चुमावे चौका चाय न दिला रखना। बाहिरी चुमावे चौका चढ़िया गना। बाहिरी चुमावे चौका चढ़िया गना। जीजा लुटावे
साइड हो जा।
धना सोनवा। जीजा लुटावे हो हाथ के कंगनवा। चाय न दिला रखना। यामा चुमावे चौका चढ़िया।
इधर देखना थोड़ा।
यामा लुटावे चौका चढ़िया गना। आबा लुटावे हो न धना सोनवा। यामे लुटावे हो हाथ के कंगनवा। यामे लुटावे
सिर लगे ना तो एक बार लगा दे पकड़ मुझे।
लार कैमरा वाला का बोलो वाला क्या है। इधर लाइट छोड़ो लाइट छोड़ो लाइट छोड़ो। काय
सबका वही होता है
अरे खेमपुर से उतार कहा नहीं बरात बैठ रहा है बैठेगा ना पीछे नहीं रहा, जाने पीछे रहा, वही के काम करा तब चढ़े करा हस्बैंड बड़े प्रॉपर क्या जाने में चला बेकार है हो गया जाने में
हाँ
अपन शादी करवा वहीं के साथ नहीं लगे अरे तू कहाँ रहा है ने बुलाए
3 ही लोग नहीं तो फिर कौन
बहुत ही लगा ताकतवर है तोरा पता नहीं तो पहले मिल रहा है मिल में काम करत रहा सुलगम हो गया खड़ा हो गए
तो खा के जा रहे हैं
हाँ चल मैं ठड़ा फोटो के देते यहाँ बढ़िया तो ऐसा नहीं हो रहा ना यहाँ बढ़िया तो इन्हें आओ ना लगे चलो खींचो चले इंगे
الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونؤمن به ونتوكل عليه ونعوذ بالله من شرور انفسنا ومن سيئات اعمالنا من يهده الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلل فلا هادي له ونشهد ان لا اله الا الله وحده لا شريك له ونشهد ان محمدا عبده ورسوله اما بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم الذي خلقكم من نفس واحدة وخلق منها زوجها وبث منهما رجالا كثيرا ونساء واتقوا الله الذي تساءلون به والأرحام إن الله كان عليكم رقيبا يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله حق تقاته ولا تموتن إلا وأنتم مسلمون يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله وقولوا قولا سديدا يصلح لكم أعمالكم ويغفر لكم ذنوبكم ومن يطع الله ورسوله فقد فاز فوزا عظيما
मुझे नितिन भाई ने कहा था, पता नहीं। चल भाई नहीं, भाई नितिन आई लोग ये पता के चल रही। आई कांटेक्ट में है तो कहाँ से?
उसको नहीं करना है, इसको खोलिए, इसको उसको निकाल कर रखिए, उसको तो गिरेंगे और क्या करना। पहले मार आ रहा है, ऐसे ऐसे करते हुए पंडित वाला काम है। इसको कैसे करना है?
बैठक वापरा
हाथ के कहना। इसको डालवा आता है तब आपसे।
हाँ हाँ हाँ
कोई याद नहीं था लास्ट में देखे कि मैं डलवा
हाँ
नहीं हम ये देखा हम भी किया है, ये सब करते दिखे आप ये देखे हैं तो हम करते नहीं चलिए
चलिए मिलिए
कैसे जी? आपने मिल लिया।
अरे हम लोग ऐसे ही छोटे में हाथ में आते कैसे हो ये चिरापति हो गया तो हो गया तुमको याद है थी थोड़े चिरापति होता
मुख का ये मिले यहाँ तो देखो ये कंपनी के सहारा बोला
आपके दांत